We'll worry no more.
I always drive back. What a waste of time. The creator of a new app is here that'll put your mind at ease.
No more driving for you, Marianne. Wait, hold
No.
on. Sitz, did you close your garage door this morning?
Of course I did.
Are you sure?
I always do.
Even if you didn't, you have a little app.
I got something that'll tell me that it's open.
I love it. Okay, so Overhead Door Company of Sacramento, you guys have this app that works with a device that will actually make sure that your garage door is open or closed, or even if you need to let somebody in.
Exactly.
If they lost their key or something like that. Okay, so Sitz Siamnath is here. So show me exactly how you do this with your phone, and then, but you have to have a device.
You do. You have to have a device.
Door,
it's
right?
called the Overhead Door Anywhere.
Okay.
And it's compatible with any garage door opener, so you don't have to have an overhead door operator to control it. But it would be a lot cooler if you did.
Of course. Okay, so you get that device, you hook it up to your garage door, then you get the app, you download it on your phone. Okay, now show us how it works on your phone.
So let's say you drive off and you forget to close your door. It'll send you a notification.
Oh.
Or if you have a camera crew that's sitting out front waiting for you to open your door, like we have right now.
For example, we've got an overhead door type situation just like that out in the vineyard area. Let's take a look at the garage door here. Now, you sure you closed it?
I'm sure I did.
You're dead positive?
I'm positive.
Because it
would have let me know.
It would have let you know.
It would have let me know.
Okay,
if
we're going to check right now and see if in fact it is closed.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's see. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Still waiting.
Is it? There it is!
Your sign opened up. Just like a garage door.
You have an app for that too, or no? That was us?
You know, that was you guys. Okay. That was all you guys.
Okay, so the door is closed. So let's say we're going to go to the app. Let's say we need to let somebody into your garage. So show us exactly how that would work on your app.
So you just open your app like a regular app.
Okay.
You know, open it and this will pop up. And if you have multiple doors, like I do, so I've got a small door and a big door.
Okay.
But we want to open the big door.
Okay.
Do you want to open it right now?
Well, hold on.
Oh, okay.
Let's play a little game.
All right, that sounds good.
Lisa, Marianne, let's play a little game. What's behind door number 1?
Okay.
Is it a lawnmower? Is it a teddy bear? Or Audrey, is it a pair of shoes? What do you think is behind door number 1? A lawnmower, a teddy bear, or a pair of shoes?
I'm going to say lawnmower.
That seems the obvious answer. I'm going to say teddy bear.
You say teddy bear?
Shoes.
Okay. Oh, we've got one of each. We've got one of each. One of you is correct.
Okay.
So, Sitz, go ahead and use your app, and let's find out what is, in fact, behind door number 1.
Here we go.
All right, so activate the app.
Activating the app, and it is...
So there's a little bit of a delay.
Okay.
It gives a beep, so if anyone's around, it notifies them to let them know
to get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Door's opening.
Door's going to open.
Okay, door's opening. You can see on the app it says opening. Opening. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's a teddy bear!
Yay!
I love it. Marianne, you're the winner tofu dinner.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say.
I share the car.
Teddy bear and a Batmobile. That's the bonus. That's so cool. So you can open and close it the exact same way.
Exactly.
Matter of fact, you opened it so that Melanie could get inside and set this little situation.
Exactly. So see, he's got the overhead door hat on, the shirt, so he knows what he's doing.
I think he's well dished. I love it. Okay, so now for this whole package, how much does it cost to get the device, and then is the app for free?
The app is free.
We like a free 99 app.
Yeah.
The package itself is $95.
Okay.
It comes with one door sensor.
Okay.
Right now, we're doing a giveaway.
Yeah.
For the first caller that mentions overhead door, and that they saw us on Good Day Sacramento, we're going to give you 95% off.
Okay, so pop that info up on the screen right now because they need the phone number to call. Again, first person to call this number for Overhead Door in Sacramento. Overhead Door Company in Sacramento. No, Lisa. CBS employees cannot partake. Sorry, no.
Shoot, I want one.
You call that number right there, and you'll be the winner. Now, can you stick around?
Yeah, of course.
Because we want to play another game.
Of course.
Coming up in the next hour. So get your juices flowing. What else could we possibly put behind door number 1?
I'm fascinated by the content.
I'll be here.
I have done it. I have driven back home if I'm no more than like a quarter mile away just to double check.
Right.
Yes.
Otherwise, Hubby gets a phone call. 4
We don't have a garage, so.
Right.
Oh, so
She just wanted to win. All right, next hour.